Want to know how to make a photo collage on your iPhone without downloading any apps? Here's how. We'll be using the built-in Shortcuts app, which is already on your iPhone. To find it, swipe to your app library and search for Shortcuts, then open it. At the bottom, tap Gallery, then search for Photo Grid. When it appears, tap the plus to add it. Once it's added, go back to the Shortcuts tab and you'll see Photo Grid in your list. Tap it, and your photo library will open. Select the photos you want in your collage, 2, 4, or even more. Then tap Add. Give it a second, and your collage will be created automatically. Now tap the Share button. You can send it straight to Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere you want. Or just tap Save Image to keep it in your Photos app. And that's it. You've made a collage on iPhone without any third-party apps. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me keep making quick iPhone tips for you.